The molar mass is the mass of 1 mole of a compound. It's in grams per mole and also known sometimes as molecular weight. The molar mass can be found based on the elements that make up the molecule. For instance, H2O has 2 hydrogens, so I take 2 times the atomic mass of hydrogen plus the atomic mass of oxygen, and that's going to go ahead and that'll get me 18.016, and that's the molar mass. Now we can use molar mass to convert between the moles of a compound and the mass of a compound. We can take the moles and multiply by the molar mass, and that gives us the mass. Or we can take the mass and divide by the molar mass to get us the number of moles. These are the same conversions that we use when looking at elements and converting between the moles of the element and the mass. Let's look at some examples. So let's say we have 2.38 moles of magnesium hydroxide, MgOH2, and we want to know its mass. So in this case, we have the number of moles, N, and we want to find the mass. So we need to take that the mass equals 2.38 times the molar mass. Well, how do we find the molar mass? Well, we look at the atomic masses, and notice this has parentheses. So that means that I have 2 oxygens and 2 hydrogens. So my molar mass is the mass of the magnesium, 24.31, the molar mass of that, plus 2 times 1.008, that's for the hydrogen, plus 2 times 16.00, that's for the oxygen. And that's going to get me 58.326 grams per mole. So I can take the 2.38 moles, I can multiply that by 58.326 grams is 1 mole. And that's going to go ahead and that will get me my answer. The moles will cancel out, and that's going to leave me with 139 grams. Now, let's see if we have a problem where we're given the number of grams and we want to find the moles. So we have 3.4 grams and we want to find the number of moles. So in this case, we're going to divide by the molar mass. So I'm going to take the molar mass and put it on the bottom. Now this is magnesium hydroxide. We found the molecular mass before, 58.326 grams is 1 mole. So I'm going to use that same value here. But in this case, seeing that the grams is now on the bottom, the grams will cancel out. And that's going to go ahead and that will give me the number of moles of my magnesium hydroxide. 0.058. Now, we could also write this as an exponential. So this would be 5.8 times 10 to the negative 2 moles. Either one of these, they're the same number, so either one of them would be fine.